how to use the blur effect in CapCut on your computer. So this can be useful if you want to blur out a sensitive piece of information. So for example, you could go and blur out someone's face. Now to do this, you need to make sure you have the video in the timeline and then click on Effects at the top of the page. Now click on Video Effects, use the search box and then search for the word blur. Now scroll down this page until you see the effect called blur. Now make sure you're using this one here, which is this guy in a red t-shirt, and you can go and drag this onto your video clip. Now click on Mask in the top right hand side and select Add Mask. You can then select the part of the video that you want to blur. So you can go and resize it by dragging the edges like so. You can also change the shape. So for example, because I'm blurring a face, I could go and change this into a circle. Now if you want to change the intensity of the blur, click on Basic. And you can go and adjust the blur strength from here. Now if your object is moving in the video, you may need to apply some tracking onto the mask. So to do that, come over to the Mask tab. You could then scroll down, and where it says Track Mask, click on Track. Now this will apply some automatic keyframes to the video, and you can see it will automatically track this person's face. If any of the keyframes are slightly out, you can always go in manually readjust this, and that's how to use the blur effect in CapCut.